wait for now for the thrust to catch up. You can hear the thrust still accelerating. At the same time we're moving down the runway. Now remember, only our feet are going to control it on the runway. There, now push the toga switch.
Toga switch is pushed.
Very good. Now the auto thrust will take care of the thrust. That's very good. Just squeeze and hold with the thrust, the rudder pedal. So just squeeze and hold, push it right. That's it. Nicely coming onto the centre. There's 80 knots confirmed on both airspeed indicators. And V1. And rotate. So just pulling back now. Till the nose comes off the ground. Very good. Nicely done. Up to 15 degrees. There you go. That's nice. That's about 18 degrees, so a little bit high. So just check forward slightly. Positive climb. So we're off the ground. You just say wheels up.
Wheels up.
Okay, I'm raising undercarriage, Captain. I'll turn the flight director off at this stage. So you can see you're up
a little high, yeah.
Now start pushing forward. And I'll take the auto thrust out. So we've got a bit of control over the thrust. Pushing forward till you can see the horizon out the front.
Oh, brilliant. That's how you take off and fly a jet. Thank you, Peter. I couldn't have done it without you. I'm talking with Peter Cross, the owner and chief pilot of FLYAJET. So tell us who can use the flight simulator in terms of age groups or levels of experience.
Any tourist that's in Auckland who wants to come and experience what it's like to fly a jet and also to see our country can fly over our country, and anybody in New Zealand who's got that passion for aviation, just wants to see what it's like to fly, they can come and fly. And it's every age group from 4 up to 97.
You have a range of packages available too for the duration of the flights and the sort of experience that people can have. Can you run us through those?
So the basic package, that's the introduction flight, costs $89, and the ultimate package costs $325. And the ultimate package takes 2 hours, including the briefing.
So what's the process to get a flight here at FLYAJET?
Well, you need to book the flight, and because we are very busy, well, first of all we'll give you a brief, and that'll take from 10 to 15 minutes, and we'll explain everything that we're going to do. We'll ask you where you want to fly if you've got one of the bigger packages, and we will explain the basic controls of the aeroplane and the basic instrumentation even before you get into the flight deck. Once we've finished the brief, then we'll bring you into the flight deck. We'll go through the pre-flight checks. We'll go through, depending on the packages, we'll go through all these instruments and show you how to set up the whole flight deck prior to the flight. And once we get underway, you'll be doing everything about it. You'll be flying it, and you'll be manipulating all the controls yourself as the captain of the aeroplane. This is a complete experience from takeoff to landing, where you fly the aeroplane, you manipulate all the controls, and you control the aeroplane right down to touchdown.
So there you go. No need to just sit in the back anymore. Book yourself a flight experience with FLYAJET. You be the pilot. Okay, Peter, let's go to Paris.